Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Holy shit.
She said, holy shit. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Nikkie to the Rescue, where together with Wix.com in this show, we help those in need of beauty and makeup advice. Oh yes, I've been starving. Oh, a message!
Hey Nikkie, look at my growing belly. I have a pregnancy photo shoot today and I really need your help, so please come and do my makeup.
Sana definitely needs my help. I'm on my way.
Ma'am, don't forget your eyelashes.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Hey sir, do you know if we're anywhere near Oude Kerk aan Amstel yet?
Not yet.
A 15. How long has she been pregnant for?
33 weeks.
Oh God. Number 11. Okay. Hi. Surprise.
Wow.
I am Nikkie.
Welcome.
Nice to meet
I'm Sana.
you. Hi, Sana. Okay.
I'm
I
pregnant.
see what's happening. So tell me, you wanted my help.
Yes, with my makeup, because today I have a pregnancy photo shoot, so I can really need your help.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you've been pregnant for how long? 33 weeks,
Yes.
I heard.
Yes, correct.
Things are looking good again.
Yes, again, yes.
Okay, so you've been through a little bit of a rough patch.
That's true, yeah.
Okay, let's go inside and talk about it some
All
more.
right.
I have my makeup kit with me.
Great.
Filled with magical stuff. So you mentioned a little bit of a rough patch.
Yeah, I've had a lot of morning sickness, even further along in my pregnancy, and a lot of back issues. So now it's getting better. So
Okay, so this is your first pregnancy.
first baby, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah.
And now we're on to brighter days, and you
Yeah.
want to do a photo shoot.
Yeah, my husband arranged that for me.
Okay, good husband.
Yeah, to make me feel better about myself. And
Okay.
to show me what you're still beautiful.
But you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Bring me to the vibe. What are we feeling?
Well, it's outside, and we're going to shoot on the same spots as we did our wedding pictures last year.
Oh.
Yeah.
It is cold outside, though.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want it to be beautiful, stunning, ethereal, all the good stuff.
Yeah, not too cheesy.
Got it. Now the main question, is the room done?
Sure, it's done.
Can
You want
I
to have a
see it?
look?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is the room.
Oh my God. I love how you went very gender neutral with the colors. Wow, what a special spot. So I think this would be the perfect setup to get glam,
Great.
to rescue you. Okay, before we start, we need a little bit of a before shot.
All right.
So let's hit it. My nails match with your dress. So tell me, are you nervous for the big day?
Yes, yes, because you never know what's going to happen and when she's going to come.
No.
And,
Is she?
Is she? It's a girl. So you picked out the good nails.
Are you excited that it's a girl?
Yes, I bought so many dresses and skirts.
So now that you know that it's gonna be a girl, what I always wonder is, what age do you feel like it's gonna be all right for her to start wearing makeup?
I think around the age of when she's going to high school.
Which is?
Around 11, 12,
Oh,
that age.
that's young.
Yeah,
But that's good.
that's when I started as well.
Okay, so we're first going in with a little bit of foundation. You have stunning skin.
Thank you.
So just with a very small, concentrated brush, I'm gonna tiptoe through the areas where I feel like you need it, which is
Okay.
nowhere. We're done. So the type of look for today, is it sort of, it's natural, beautiful, but you said not too poppy.
No, I wanted a bit more glammed up and can be a bit sexy.
Like mature, oh.
Sexy eyes.
So I'm just finishing up your brows. I'm wondering, have you always had a child's wish? Have you always wanted to be a mom?
Yes, I love children. I always wanted to be a mom.
Have you had any of the like crazy cravings?
No, I don't. I hear it a lot, but no, I have
no pickles.
No.
With vanilla ice cream.
No, no weird cravings. No.
Any other unique stuff that has happened?
Yes, I forget a lot of things. When I go to the supermarket, I don't know why I'm there anymore. It's crazy.
While you're at the supermarket.
Yes, and I have to call my husband. Why am I at the supermarket again?
Really?
Yeah. Yes.
So it's like pregnancy amnesia?
Yes.
You're like, I'm hungry. I'm not. To create your own professional website, go to wix.com/go/NikkieTutorials or click the link in the description box below. Have you thought of a name?
Yes.
For the little one?
We have a name.
Is it exotic?
No, it's a Dutch name.
Very Dutch?
Yes.
No Nikkie?
No Nikkie.
No Nikkie.
Sorry, no.
It's okay. No Glow Baby? GB? What's up in the building? All right, my gorgeous. So the most amazing, magical thing about the internet is that it never goes away.
Nope.
So I want you to take this opportunity, and maybe your daughter is gonna see this in what, 10 years, 15 years? What do you hope for her in the future?
To be happy, and that she is happy with herself and can be who she wants to be. I think that's the most important thing.
And do you want to say something to her if she's watching this?
Yes, and I love her already, but I think even more then. Yeah.
What a way to end it. Set it spray! All right, my love, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh God, I'm nervous with you. I hope you like.
I hope so too.
We're acting like we're on American Idol. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Really pretty.
Do you like?
Yes, I love it.
Oh.
Thank you.
What are we liking? Tell me.
The eyes.
The eyes.
Glow.
Uh-huh. Do you think this is gonna be the perfect look to look back at from years from now?
Yes, it is.
I've done my job.
Well done.
Oh, I am so incredibly happy for you, and you're gonna be a star with your photo shoot, and I'm gonna be right there to help you out, okay?
Great.
Let's do it. We are currently walking towards your photo shoot, where your husband will be waiting for you. I'm so excited because he hasn't seen anything.
No.
Now, what do you think he will think of the look?
I think he will love the eyes. So.
Okay, so he's an eye man.
Yes, he is.
Okay. I'm getting nervous for you. I'm like, if he hates it, I need to quit my channel. It's over. I think I see him. All right, give me a hug. You got this, girl.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Hallo, schat.
Dat was heel mooi.
Mooi, hè?
Ziet er heel mooi uit.
You know, it's always so hard to see them grow up like that. I feel like I'm the godmother to this child that I don't even know.
Heel mooi, schatje.
Mooi, hè?
Ja. Happy?
Ja, heel happy.
Ja.
Another case rescued. I think they're doing an amazing job. I love mom so much. On to the next one. Oh, okay. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Oh, hi. I'm Nikkie. Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Stunning.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you work with this?
What do you need my help for?
I need you to do.
I need you to do this.
Yes.
So tell me what is happening today.
I'm getting married.
You're getting married? Oh my God, congratulations. And where are we right now?
De Weeghel in Kwakernaak.
Belgium. People.
Belgium.
We are in Belgium, my loveliest neighbors of them all. Okay, so this is the dress.
Yeah.
And what look do you have in mind?
50s.
50s? Why 50s?
Because I love the 50s.
They're like an obsession of yours?
We dance swing style.
Oh, so we're talking like red lips,
Maybe
That kind of color?
that kind of color.
Oh my God, yes! Can I take a peek inside?
Of course,
Okay,
yeah.
perfect. Okay. I love it. All right, let's get started. But before we do, let's go on to the before. I mean, you're wearing the dress, and I don't want any angry husbands, so we're gonna wrap you in, and there you go. Beautiful dress, sweetie. I would love to find out how you guys met each other.
That's a funny story, actually. We met on St. Patrick's Day
Oh!
in an Irish pub,
Oh, I love that.
but he drank too much, so he doesn't remember the night.
Oops.
Yeah, we were gonna go on a date that same Saturday.
Yeah.
But because he drank too much and
You
he didn't-
forgot?
Yeah, he
Oh
forgot
my
the date, and he stood me up.
Stop.
Yeah.
And then what?
And then we saw each other again 3 months later.
Did you exchange numbers at least? Or nothing?
Nothing. I didn't even know his full name.
Stop. So how did you find him again?
In the same Irish pub.
You saw him again and you were like, you're not drinking this time. When did he pop the question?
We went to see Guardians of the Galaxy.
Good choice.
He cosplayed as Star-Lord. He worked, I think, a full year on the costume.
Okay, and then he went on his knees and you were like, let me think about it.
Well, the thing is that when he entered back the cinema, because he went during the break between two movies, I didn't see him because he had a full mask on, so I didn't know it was him. And I was like, what kind of dick is that? Just walking in full costume in a cinema? I was like, that's ridiculous. And then he...
You're like attention seekers.
Yes. Exactly. And then he went towards me and I was like, I'm not gonna stand
You're
up
like,
for you.
get away from me, get away from me, get away from me.
And then he took off his mask and then I saw it was him. And I was like, what are you doing?
And this is the ring?
Yeah.
Tell me what inspired the ring.
Tony Stark's score. Yeah. We're big Marvel fans, so...
Is the wedding ring inspired by Marvel too?
No. We didn't plan to get a wedding ring. We're gonna get tattoos later.
Oh, what kind of tattoo?
We don't know yet.
Oh. So what are you most nervous about today?
I think our first dance.
Your first dance?
Yeah, because we put really a lot of work into it.
You've been practicing?
A lot.
So what kind of dance are we seeing later on?
Well, it's called Lindy Hop.
Lindy Hop?
Yeah, and that's a sort of swing. And our dance teacher is gonna be there as well.
Oh
so,
my
yeah.
God.
We better do it right.
So what kind of makeup look do you wear on a day-to-day basis?
Normally I don't wear makeup.
Like anything?
Nothing.
At all?
At all.
Oh, right now there's a whole lot more going on than just that, but it's a special day. We have done the entire groundwork for the eyes. We've done the shadow, we've done the liner. Now we're just gonna finish it off by applying a couple of flirty lashes. Boom, boom. Oh, I love love. So can you tell me what you see for the future? What are your dreams? What are your goals together?
I think to maintain the relationship we have today. Mm-hmm. Because a lot of people think that when you get married, then all the fun is out.
Gone,
Yeah.
yep.
And I don't want that, so I think we're gonna try and maintain the same relationship as we have.
All right, so we're gonna pop a lip on and then you're ready for your big day. All righty. Some setting spray. Do you know what this is called? The bridal setting spray. Finally, it fits a theme. Okay, close your eyes. So this is gonna make sure that everything stays on. Okay, so before we do the reveal, I have one last gift for you. This is the lipstick that you're wearing today. Okay. So if at any point you're kissing too much or you're eating food and you want to touch up, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Wow, thank you.
Alrighty. Are you ready to say yes to the dress 2.0? Oh my God, are you kidding me? Hello! Thank you so much. Nikkie to the rescue. This is Nikkie. Jen, I'll be right back. Wait for me till you say yes, okay? I'll be right back. Oh my God, yes, mm-hmm. Hello, Daniel.
Oh my God.
Yes, makeup. And breathe. So tell me, what can I help you with?
I asked you for help because I think I'm kind of lost in the beauty community. The only thing I see is people, getting their ways.
Right.
But I'm like lost in between them.
So you feel like your name isn't really getting out there, correct?
Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah,
account?
I do.
Okay, good. Are you on YouTube?
Kinda, I'm sorry.
Okay, and most of all, do you have a website where people can find you?
Mostly on Instagram only.
Okay, honey, then today we're gonna set you up with your own Wix website, and you're gonna get an extra service for a year where you have more options for even better content, and that's a little gift from us to you.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you through a couple of the first steps, and then from there, you can create your own magical place. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to Wix.com, and then you're gonna click Create New Site. So then it takes you to this page, and it asks you, what kind of website do you wanna create? But we're gonna go for beauty and wellness. Choose a template. What would you like the title of your website to be?
It's Danny Barrera.
Okay. Well, for now, let's do, just for an example, let's do Beauty by Daniel, okay?
Okay.
So, using this template and the editor, it is very easy to add in all your amazing photos with all your creative looks. You can add in your info, your Instagram, everything you need to be found faster and easier. And I think that is really gonna help you out growing your audience and growing your career.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah. Can we take a picture together?
Smile. Are you gonna print screen it?
Okay, there you go.
Yay! Thank you, Daniel.
Oh my God.
Good
Thank
luck,
you so
my
much,
love.
Nikkie. Oh my God.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, back to rescuing more people. All right, it is time for the grand reveal of your bridal face. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. She said, holy shit. Is it a good holy shit?
It's a wonderful holy shit. I look gorgeous.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Come here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You look fantastic.
Thank you. I feel fantastic.
Good. Let's go to the big event, honey. I think you're ready.
I'm ready.
Perfect. All right, I think these two lovebirds are ready to say yes. I want to thank you so much for watching this brand new episode of Nikkie to the Rescue. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do it, baby. Dylan, I'm waiting.